The Gandhian Society of New Jersey hosted a grand meet and greet on May 26th at Royal Albert's Palace Forts in honor of Shrimati Rajshri Birla, chairperson of the Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development. The event celebrated the relocation of the digital Eternal Gandhi Museum from Atlantic City to Edison, supported by Birla's philanthropy. Organized by Badr Butala, Albert Jasani and Dr. Dinesh Patel, the gathering featured cultural tributes, a Khadi fashion show and a special audio-visual presentation. Guests of honor included Indian Consul General Binaya Pradhan, Mayor John McCormick and Mayor Sam Joshi. Take a look.
Hello, distinguished Gandhian torchbearers. I am indeed more than delighted to be in your midst on the celebratory occasion. I, for one, feel that despite all the social media, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms, nothing beats a face-to-face meeting. So let me first congratulate our Gandhian who have organized today's event, the Gandhian Society and founder Gandhian Society, Mr. Badr Butala, Royal Albert's Palace, Mr. Albert Jasani, and Dr. Dinesh Patel. Honorable Council for Cultural Affairs of India, Mrs. Pragya Singh, Honorable Mayor, Woodbridge Township, Mr. John McCormick, and Major Edison Township, Mr. Sam Joshi, and all committee members of Gandhian Society. Today I would like to share some relatively unknown facts about the Mahatma. Most of you, I presume, are aware of the close bond between Sri Ghanshyam Dasji Birla, my grandfather-in-law, whom we lovingly call Pujya Dadoji, and Gandhiji. Both of them influenced one another. Dadoji first met Gandhiji in 1916 when Gandhiji came to Calcutta as the guest of the Marwari community. Like thousands of others, Dadoji was deeply influenced by Gandhiji. He started writing letters to him, which Gandhiji would very promptly reply. It may surprise you to learn that in response, Throughout 1925, Gandhiji wrote on an average one letter every fortnight to Daluji. Since then, there was no turning back. The letters were an eclectic mix, the topics varying from socialism to philosophy to the trusteeship concept of management to materialism and spiritualism. Mahatma Gandhi, or Bapu as he is fondly called, remains one of the most influential icons of the 20th century. Sri Mohandas Gandhi was not born great, nor did he become so overnight. The early years of his life, so rarely known, hold the key to understanding his transformation from Sri Mohandas to Mahatma. In his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji himself wrote, God has never allowed any of my own plans to stand. He has disposed of them in his own way. The humility is central to his journey.
Thank you for blessing us and thank you for making that announcement. We are bringing the Eternal Gandhi Peace Center here in central New Jersey. So a big round of applause to the team of Gandhian Society. I request all of them to come here on the stage and the Aditya Birla group of companies for helping us realize this dream. So Nitinji, if you can also please come up after that.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this event. First of all, I would like to thank the Birla Group, especially Rajshri Birla ji and her team for coming all the way and blessing us with this event. Also the volunteers, Butala ji, Gandhian Society, and all the team of Gandhian Society who have put this event today.
आज हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है. हम लोग न्यू जर्सी में हैं और एक नया गांधी पीस सेंटर बनाने की बात है. तो आज हम लोगों ने यहाँ जगह देखी. एक यहाँ के हैं मिस्टर भुटाला और उन्होंने जगह दी है और डिज़ाइन वगैरह भी बन गई है, लेआउट वगैरह. तो एक साल में बन जाना चाहिए और इसकी यहाँ बहुत ही लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं गांधी जी में. तो ये देख के बहुत उत्साह बढ़ता है. धन्यवाद.
Good afternoon. Today is May 26th, a very special day in the US because it's a Memorial Day, and also a very special day for the diaspora in New Jersey because we are relocating the museum, the Gandhi Museum, to New Jersey. Thanks to the Birla Group, Rajshri Birla ji and the entire Birla Group for supporting this initiative. And also thanks to the Gandhian Society founder, Mr. Badr Butala, for helping out by giving his land and property to host this museum in New Jersey. I'm sure this museum will serve as an institution to reflect the values and the way this great man has lived his life. And it will serve as an inspiration to the younger generation. I'm sure the schools here in New Jersey will be able to visit the museum in New Jersey and learn about this great man and his values. Once again, I thank all the supporters of the initiative, this museum initiative, and also urge the diaspora to please be generous in supporting this museum initiative. Please be generous in giving donations so that this museum can be functional by this year end. We once again thank all the volunteers, all the Gandhian Society members, and especially the Birla Group, Rajshri Birla and the entire Birla Group for supporting this initiative. Thank you so much. God bless India and God bless America.